and put me in my Strait Jacket. I gotta figure out how to get out of it now. And I see everybody left for lunch. So, Henry, wake up. Henry, you gotta help me figure out how to get out of this thing. This is, see, it's all buckled. Henry, are you looking at me? Henry? Oh, so, anyway, we gotta come up with a way to get me out of this. Yeah, oh, I know, the burger place. The burger place, because they got the drive-thru where the kids all have to take my order, and in order to take my order and get my money, they'll have to unbuckle me. That'll work. So, Henry, I tell you what, see, they got me all buckled up, so I'll tell you what, I'll work the pedals, and you work the steering wheel and the gear shift, okay? Okay, here we go. Henry, this is really not easy now, but as long as you cooperate, I think I can do this. Or we can do it together or something. So, I don't know. Maybe I can get a helping hand. Oh, that's really nice of you. Okay. So now, Henry, we gotta get you in here. And you were supposed to work the gear shift. But anyway. Okay. There, okay? Cut off the slow. We can do that. What? Your left rear tire is low? Well, why didn't you tell me it's low? You silly old fucker. What are you doing? You never tell me these things. He never tells me anything until after this. I wonder if I could get another glass at Uncle Freeze. Anybody
No,
help?
no.
Oh, nobody's gonna help me. No more Uncle Freeze for the day? Oh, you guys are a bunch of real swells. I'm telling you.